I don't want to get too close. Maybe they fly away. Do it now. It's such a beautiful day out here today. Nice and warm. Where's the rest of the squirrels? It's just him eating. You gonna eat all the nuts? Not gonna leave any for your friends? I like that the birds eat the seeds. The nuts also. Even the shell nuts, they're taking them and flying away with them. I think that's pretty cool. I didn't think they would eat them. I noticed it a few weeks ago that they're eating them.